new telly for your bedroom. Brand new.
Come on!
It's got YouTube, it's got Netflix.
Has it got Tiana?
Yeah, it's got Tiana.
And
Look.
Pop.
Oh, don't go near wee Nerf gun, Leo.
Ah.
Right, let's put that there.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just going to go in the kitchen and get a drink, and then we'll take you upstairs, okay?
Okay, we'll just be playing.
Yeah, you two just play. Be really well behaved, okay?
Yeah. Let's get you, Aiden.
Oh!
What have you done, Leo? Leo, what have you done? Hey, Nelly, I think you're breaking it. Stop it, Leo. I'm gonna get Adrian now. My lesson. Leo, stop it. Oh no! What have I done? Leo, you're the naughty one. I can fix it. Do that. I don't think that will work, will it? Okay, I will. With the laptop it didn't. Let's get the tools. Oh no, I need this. Oh, this one works. Let's take something out. Now I need a hammer. Okay. Look at that work. How about this? You need to get it back up. Oh, there. Oh, I know. Let's just cover it up so Daddy doesn't know. Because it was Leah's fault there. Leah, excuse me. You can put it on me too. Can you see my leg? No.
Leo, I've got some gifts for you. Angel, Leo, I've got some gifts for you.
Wow!
Where's Leo?
I don't know. Look at that.
In? Oh, I don't know where he is. Shall I show you what I've got you? I've got you Smiggles pencil case.
Whoa.
I've got you some warheads.
Whoa.
I've got you an angel book from Smiggles.
Thank you.
I've got you some nom-noms.
Thank you.
I've got you a surprise egg. And for Leo, I've got him a Lego Duplo.
Oh, I think that's him.
Leo!
Oh yeah, I can feel something under there.
Leo! Look at my telly! What have you done?
It was Leah's fault. I'm always very good, aren't I?
Well, who's broken the telly?
Leo.
Was it you?
Yeah.
Leo! That's
Because he's the naughty one.
Oh! Leo, move back!
And I really wanted to play with that.
Oh no! Who's been using these drills on the telly?
Me.
Which one are you two?
Leo.
Leo?
Yeah.
I'll get you with the drill. Right, let me see if it works.
I really wanted to play with that.
Oh, Angel, you've broken the screen.
It was not me. It was Leo.
No, it wasn't. Leo! Oh no, you dropped it again. Stop it. Oh! Leo! Leo! Right, that's it. I'm getting you both. Get off.
I was playing with my dolly.
Oh.
I was playing with my dolly.
You wasn't playing with your dog, you two. Leo! This is brand new. Right, that's it. I'm taking all these toys back. Get off. Right, that's it. Lego. No, that's it. You're not having any more toys. Lego Duplo's going away. Right, that's it. I'm taking all of these toys. I'm taking all your toys. That's going away. The Lego Duplo's going away. Ow! Angel, no! I'm taking the dolly. I'm throwing that over there. That's it. I'm taking the Nerf gun. You're not having anything else until you say you're really, really sorry. No, you're not having the Nerf gun. That is mine now.
I'm such a good girl.
No, you're not. No, you're not, Angel. Leo, come back. Come back with these toys. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Are you going to say sorry for breaking my telly? Are you? Come here. got your brother. You're going to have to come and rescue him.
Sorry. I can't believe we are hit with Telly. But thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And click the button down below.
The bell button and leave us a comment.